this is the number one thing the home buyers should do before they house hunt. My name is Gary Gowal with Cornerstone Home Lending. Let's chat about one of the most important home buying steps. Buying a home is such an important milestone. For most of the people, it is one of the biggest purchases they will ever make. I know it seems really intimidating, but doing some really simple steps can make sure the whole process goes super smoothly. One of the first things that I suggest is getting pre-qualified. When you're pre-qualified, it means the mortgage lender has looked at your credit history and determined that they feel you are a trustworthy candidate for mortgage. It signifies that the lender has done a deep dive and determined that they feel comfortable lending you money you need to purchase your home. Why not just get pre-qualified after you find the house? I totally get the temptations of just popping into a few open houses, see what's out there. It may seem pretty harmless, but getting pre-qualified is like having a seal of approval. It truly is the biggest step and can make sure the process goes smoothly and stress-free. Click on the link below, fill out a quick, easy, and free pre-qualification form on my website. This will give us a snapshot of you and your goals, and my team and I will be in contact with you about the next step. It will help me out so much if you can like, share this video, and tag a friend in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.